Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background color on a Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my phone, and first thing first, let's just open up our Photoshop application, and then we have to choose a photo we want to change the background color. For instance, I'm gonna go with this photo. We can tap on the photo, and then we can go to the background section right here, and here you just need to choose the color you want to apply to your background. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and now the background color has been changed, and if you want to save the result or the photo, you just need to click on the save button, and then the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background color of our photo in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.